आयज मिटींग आशिल्ली तुमची RDAची एक्झॅक्टली कितें जालें डिस्कशन?
See, RDA has a lot of shortage of staff. Different schemes have got different staff, and the staff which were taken around 15 years back, some of them have crossed ages. So we have nearly around 34 staff which are vacant, and some entire South Goa has only one junior engineer. So we cannot do justice to all the South Goa constituencies. So we have asked for 12 junior engineers, which Chief Minister has approved today for South and North. 7 for North and 5 for South. So which he has approved 8. So we'll give 4 for each. 4 for North, 4 for South. So immediately we'll put up the file and take it on contract basis how GSIDC is working.
Any other issues that were
34
discussed?
staff also will be taken to work on various schemes of central government.
Because of this shortage of staff, major development works have stopped.
100%. Work cannot be taken up. How all the MLAs were complaining to me that our estimates have not been prepared, our sanction is not happening. We have got funding from central government as well as state government. Right now we have around 9 crores with us, but we cannot take up work because there is absolutely no staff to work.
So yeah, कितले बेगान घेतले?
I will see that within 1 month we will get this sanction, and in 2 months recruitment of on contract basis will happen.
Okay.
Because contract basis recruitment is directly with us.
Okay.
Because that contract basis recruitment will be for 5 years and renewable.
Only staff and
So main of DRDA was staff issue. Secondly, we had a meeting of national highway as far as Porvorim is concerned, and villagers of Porvorim along with the Sarpanch and our North Goa president of BJP, block president of BJP of Porvorim constituency had come to visit CM with regards to continuation of Atal Setu up to Pintruzar hospital. That is up to Giri highway. So the highway is designed as 6 laning, and what we are looking at is 4 laning on top and 2 laning below. So in this way, if it can be done, it would save a lot of property of our Goan people. There are 3-4 schools within that vicinity. Then there are hospitals within the vicinity, and building a 6 lane with 3 pillars, 2 right at the edge and 1 in the middle, 2 in the middle, is going to only disturb the smooth flow of the traffic below. So what we are proposing is a single pillar in the middle, which can take 4 laning on top and 2 laning below.
So these are changes you all are what I will ask.
We are proposing changes from 6 lane to 4 lane on top. So Chief Minister has heard them and assured them that another meeting will be held to bring out a final solution to this. But the national highway has already prepared and done estimates and tender for 6 laning on that particular stretch.
Okay. Third thing, sir, final. तुम्ही मिटिंगेक आशिल्ले आज टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंटाचे एक्झॅक्टली सांग कितें जालें आनी डिस्कशन्स कितें?
I have already put my views across the table. Various measures needs to be taken up to revive this industry which is slowly dying, and this is a collected effort which will have to be put by various departments, including the Goa Police, including the traffic cell of Goa Police. They have to recruit beach tourist police, which earlier days they were tourist police. Right now IRB are there, which they do not have any powers as such. So these are various roadblocks which the tourism industry is facing. The tourist arrivals from international, that is foreign tourists arriving into Goa, have gone down. How they are going to tap into that, how they are going to convince those countries, those travel agents, especially issues as far as parking at Goa airport is concerned. solving the tourist taxi issue where the meters are still not being fitted. The clash between the two groups of taxi, that is, one is our Goan Taxi Owners Association and also that Goa Miles. All these issues are there to be addressed. Hawkers on the beach, people drinking on the beach, except Kalangut police station, we have done 63 cases of drinking on the beach, which is 2,000 rupees fine from the day of the notification. No other police stations have done any fines, have not put any fine. So no review has been taken by the heads of Goa Police, or the act was brought by Department of Tourism. They have not taken any review. So I have put that thing across that somebody responsible in the Department of Tourism needs to take review from Goa Police and also from IRB what is happening.
Okay.
Why the act is the notification of 2,000 rupees is not being implemented, where a fine is 2,000 for drinking on the beach, misbehavior on the beach. All those things are concerned. So we need to actually have this type of meetings regularly. I had requested the minister to take this meeting. Now, first time this meeting is being held. So again, he should take review of this after 15 days.
Okay.
And till we improve on our tourism business, this review meeting should take place every 20 days at least. So in a year, we can have at least around 8 to 10 meetings.